So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover this amazing lab. So simply click on start lab and here you have to open the cloud console incognito window. Now if you're completely new to this channel, do like the video and subscribe the channel and do hype the video too. So just open the cloud console incognito window. Make sure all the existing windows are already closed in the incognito and you're just initiating a fresh session. Now here it is getting signed in automatically. If it asks for username and password, refer to the lab instruction. Now simply click on I understand. Now here just click on this button to activate the Cloud Shell next to the Gemini icon. Now here you have to simply click on continue and then authorize yourself. Just authorize yourself. Now first thing, let me increase the font size. Now here in the description box I've shared this repository. We'll be using that only. So just paste over here, hit enter. Now here, wait for this command to get executed. It may take up to 5 to 10 minutes or even more. After that, we'll just check the score. So just stay tuned and wait. So finally here you can see all these tasks are completed. Now let's move to the lab instruction and simply check the score. And that's the way we have to complete the lab. Do like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Have a great day.